All right, guys. So just like I was saying before, is an education website to help you a great deal. So I want to introduce the website to you guys. Find time to go around it, okay? But your mentorship is still very important. You need a private coach. You need a personal mentor. So that you can drive the process of your learning on very smoothly. Okay. So, guys, that said, I want us to continue with the trade analysis of today. Today, we're going to be looking at another instrument, okay? We're going to be looking at Great British Pound, United States dollar, okay? I just want to introduce this particular currency pair because it's one currency pair that moves, extensively. It has a very huge move in the market, okay? The reason being that the Great British Pound is a very strong currency, okay, going by the economy of Britain, and of course the almighty dollar is the pair, okay, in this currency pair, okay, is a counter is the counter quote currency, okay, in this currency pair, okay. So that's why I want to use this particular currency pair for this evening's training. So guys, first thing first, guys, this is the instrument we want to trade. So let us prepare our chart. Let's prepare our chart. So guys, you know me, I love black and white color scheme. So you right click, go to properties. Okay, in the color scheme, just select black on white. Okay, you can decide to leave it like this, the grid. Okay, or you can go ahead to remove the grid, but I want to leave it like this. Okay, so just say okay. All right, now when you come here, you need to change the the bar chart to candlestick chart. Okay, you click this button, okay, and you zoom in on the chart. Okay, so guys, this is where I want to be. Okay, this is where I want to be. All right, so you can see this chart, very awesome looking. Okay, but we're not going to start this analysis from the 1 hour time frame. I want us to start it from the daily time frame, guys. Let's look at the daily time frame, guys. So if you look at this market, you see that the market is a very active market. Okay, very active market. Okay, so guys, if you look at it, if you look at this currency pair, you see that the market is is ranging at the moment. This market is ranging. All right, so what we want to do is that we're going to trade off this daily time frame. Okay, first of all, we determine the market structure. Okay, having determined that the market is ranging here, okay, we will now look for what technical approach we're going to deploy to attack this market. Okay, now let me just go up to weekly time frame, guys. Let me just go up to weekly time frame. I want to see something here. I want to confirm the market structure, that this market is still in a ranging mode, even from the weekly time frame. So when you look at it here, you see that this market is still ranging, okay, from the weekly time frame. This market is in a ranging mode. Okay, so first of all, that is what I want to determine. But again, it's important to do this before this market went into a range. What was it doing? The market was in an uptrend. Okay, look at it. The market was in an uptrend before it entered the range mode. Okay, so now let me bring out the range mode in this weekly time frame again, so that you see it. Okay, so the market was ranging here. Okay, and entered into another medium time range again. Let me show you what I mean, guys. Another medium time range. Okay, so you can actually follow it from this dimension. Okay, you want the market to break out of this medium time range, you trade it, or you wait for it to come to the bigger range structure, then you begin to look for trading opportunity. Okay, all right, so guys, let me just delete all this. Okay, so we've determined that before it entered the sideways movement, the market was in an uptrend. Okay, so that is very instructive. So on the daily time frame, so guys, you can see that the range has been expanded on the daily time frame. Okay, now you can also see that the market is still in the ranging mode. Okay, but there it looks as if that range has been broken here. Okay, I'll show you what I mean, guys. It looks as if the range has been broken. Okay, the range has been broken here. Okay, so as if this market, is looking towards, selling. But we're going to continue this analysis, okay, to be sure that of what we're really doing. So this market is ranging, and there's a possibility of this market continuing with this breakdown. Okay, it might be a fake out, you can never say, but let's just not conclude there. Let's continue to unravel the structure built into this market. Okay, so what do we do again? We want to pick levels, guys. Let's pick our levels. Even though this level is far away from where the from where price is, but at least it's not too far. Market has the capability or the potential, to drop down to that level. Okay, so let's consider it a very good structure area of interest. Okay, so let's tidy up the chart. Okay, so this is what we have here. So this rectangle I've drawn here, they are structure levels, they are support and resistance levels. So you may not want to draw another horizontal line. Okay, so having done this now, guys, we want to drop down to the 4-hour time frame. You guys know me, my entry time frame is the 4-hour time frame. Sometimes I do the 1-hour time frame, but today I'm going to see what opportunity this market has for me from the 4-hour time frame. So guys, you can see clearly that this market has broken out of this range. Okay, the market has broken out of the range structure and is heading southwards. Okay, the market is heading southwards. So let's just zoom out on this chart and see clearly what this market has decided to do. Okay, this market has decided to push down. Okay, there are other mid-term structures below that this market is still coming to test. Let me use a horizontal line, to locate those levels. Okay, you can see this is a critical level that this market is coming to test in the near future. So we'll place our eyes, our focus on this particular area of interest. Okay, so now guys, what do we continue doing? Now let's zoom in on the chart and look at candlestick patterns. At this point, this is when the candlesticks will speak for you. This is when the signals built around the candlestick would show you or tell you what the market is planning to do. Okay, so guys, you can see there's a breakout. Market pulled back slightly and the market is coming down. So we're going to look for an opportunity to trade this market from where it is now. So guys, this is where you have to get further confirmation in the market. So my confirmation indicators are the stochastic indicator, okay, the stochastic indicator, and of course the RSI, relative strength index. Okay, for now I've not seen a signal from the stochastic indicator, which is my confirmation indicator. I need to see this market, okay, giving me a direction that is congruent with what? With the direction of the market. All right. So, but let me just show you guys something. Let's look at market structure. Let's look at market structure. Now, you can see that this market, here formed a double top, okay, formed a double top here, went down with these huge momentum candles, third structure, came back again and broke through structure and has shown the strong footprint of the bears in the market through this huge momentum candle. Okay, now after that the market parried and moved sideways with this showing some reluctance or some hesitation by a strong or by a rather weak attack by the bulls that suddenly pushed the market up. And when the market got to this level, let me zoom in on this candlestick, guys. I need you to see this candlestick properly. Now, when the market pulled back at this retracement, the bears showed their footprint by doing what? By printing what this candlestick pattern. This candlestick pattern is what I call the evening star candlestick pattern. Okay, this is evening star candlestick pattern. So the market actually pulled back and created this evening star candlestick pattern. And this candlestick pattern is overly what? A bearish candlestick pattern, guys. Okay, so that is a fact. Okay, so now let me also show you that this level may be a structure. Let's put a horizontal line across that level. Okay, let's put a horizontal line here. All right, and zoom out on this chart. Okay, reset the chart. Okay, you can see that at this level has shown very strong resistance and support over time in price action. So price is reacting to this level, which is quite instructive. Okay, fine. So now what we need to do is to continue to look at market structure. You can see that from here the market has decided to do what? To start trending downward. So what the market did was here created a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and the market is coming down. Okay, so if the market is able to break this level here, look at this level. This level is a swing low in price action. If price is able to break this level, okay, then you see you agree with me that the market has decided to continue to go down, creating a break of structure here. Okay, creating a break of structure. So if the market breaks this structure here and this candlestick closes below this horizontal line here, I would look for a sell opportunity in this market. Okay, let me just change the color of that structure line to red. Okay, so I see this as a break of structure. If this candlestick closes below this red line, I see it as a break of structure. Okay, so that would have confirmed the bull's footprint in this market. Okay, sorry, the bear's footprint in this market. Okay, now this indicator may not help me. Okay, so let me just delete it because I need to try other confirmation indicators that could give me what the kind of confirmation I want to see. So I want to look at the relative strength index. Now, if it prints below the 50 level, okay, I will see a clear and instructive direction to the downside. Okay, so clearly what this market is doing is that the market has shown me that that the price is overly bearish here. Price is bearish because the relative strength index curve or graph is below the 50 level. Okay, so this market is clearly in a downtrend now. Okay, the market is clearly in a downtrend. Okay, so now what I need to do again, I'm just showing you all my confirmation indicators that I use. Okay, I'm not trading off them, mind you, but I'm using them to confirm whether, when, and how to enter the market. Okay, all right, you can see that the market is overly bearish. Okay, the market is overly bearish. Now I need to see further breakdown of price. Okay, before I will decide what to do next. Okay, now I need to see this break of structure. Okay, if this break of structure happens, then I will look for an entry opportunity. Guys, let me tell you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. I want to see price break below here. Okay, when price breaks below, okay, two things I could do. I could wait for a pullback to this level. Okay, then I would trade to the downside. Okay, and I think that is what I'm going to do. Guys, you have to be patient with the market. Be very, very, very patient. Okay, now when this happens, okay, you see the stochastic indicator perhaps return back to the overbought level. Okay, or rather it will now, this retracement could push this momentum indicator to the upside. I want to see it at this level. I want to see a sell opportunity from these levels. Okay, I want to see a sell opportunity from this level, a crossover of these two stochastic lines, below the 80 levels. I don't like it when I see it here. Okay, when I find this level here, this indicator here, I don't trade off it. I need it to be on top here or below here to either take a short trade or to take a buy trade. So I'm not going to respond to this. I don't have a signal with that. I don't have a confirmation with that indicator. Okay, so guys, I'm going to trade pure price action. I'm going to look at what price is doing generally, and that will direct my action in this market. Okay, that will direct what further action I should take in this market, guys. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting to happen with this currency pair. Okay, so guys, fingers crossed. Right now, there's nothing we can do in this market. At the moment, we cannot do anything. I want to wait for further price action before I'll be able to trade, this market. So guys, let me continue to mark up my chart. Okay, for visibility's sake, I want to bring out the currency pair, Great British Pound, USD. Okay, guys, just follow me and learn how I mark up my chart properly. So this should be on the 4-hour time frame chart. Okay, so guys, this is the way I want it. Okay, all right, so guys, so what are we looking for here? We're looking for a sell opportunity. Okay, we are looking for a sell opportunity to the upside. Okay, sorry, to the downside. We're looking for sell opportunity and a downward move of price. Okay, so this is what we can do. We can use this counter trend line. Okay, we can use this counter trend line. If price pulls back to the trend line, okay, we'll look for opportunity to short the market. Okay, so guys, just these are the things you can do in this market. Okay, these are the things you can do. All right. Okay, are there chart patterns again we can consider here? Are there chart patterns? That's another thing you should ask yourself. Are there chart patterns? Okay, what am I seeing? Let me see if there are chart patterns that we can explore here. Okay, well, is this what I want to look at? Is this what I want to consider? Let me zoom in on this chart. Let me zoom in on this chart. Let me zoom in on this chart. Okay, to see if it is something I want to consider. All right, so not exactly, because I want market to break structure. If it breaks structure, I'll look for opportunity to trade it to the downside. I've seen, well, this is evening star candlestick pattern because this is structure. The price is a structure. So these three candlestick patterns, they're evening star candlestick pattern, and most likely that this market will continue to go down. This market will continue to go down up to this level. Okay, so we can decide to short it, but I want to wait till London session. Okay, I don't want to trade this instrument now because the time here is 9:34 GMT +1 Nigerian time. Okay, at this moment the New York session is about closing. Okay, so this instrument will not have enough liquidity, to operate, to swim in. Okay, so I have to wait till tomorrow on Tuesday when London session has opened. I'll come back to this chart to look for an entry opportunity, guys. So guys, I hope you understand what I just did here. It's very simple, very instructive. Okay, so what I also do is this. I look at the Forest Factory, chart. Let's look at Forest Factory. I want to be sure that I can short this market on Tuesday, okay, without any much, news that is going to obstruct the trade. Okay, so tomorrow by 7 a.m. let me check. Okay, let me refresh this. Let me make sure that this website time synchronizes with my system time. Okay, so this is Tuesday, Great British Pound, 7 a.m. By now, market London session has not opened by 7 a.m. London session, I think, opens by 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. GMT +1. Okay, so this is one news that may not, that I will have to wait until after this news. Then I'll look at what the market is going to do. Okay, these are all Canadian dollar. The US news is by 6 p.m. Sorry, another Great British Pound news by 6 p.m. This is very instructive. By then, I think I would have come out of this trade because London session closes by 5 p.m. GMT +1. So by this time, I should have been out of that trade because I want it to be an intraday trade. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's no, apart from these two news items from Great Britain, there's no other news, powerful or high impact news that is coming out from the USA. Okay, so guys, I hope that is clear. So I think the coast is clear. The coast is clear. We're going to short the markets at London open. Then before London closes, we're out of that trade. Okay, we're out of the trade. Or we manage to trade throughout the session, but I think it's safer for us to get out. Okay, safer for us to get out. Okay, so guys, another thing you need to look at here is this. Now the two currency pairs, they're very powerful currency pair. The Great British Pound, the interest rate is 5 points. I'm looking at fundamental factors now. Okay, the Great British Pound, the interest rate is, the latest interest rate is 5.25. Okay, and the United States dollar is 5.50. So here is what gives the United States an upper hand, and that's why I think majorly people are shorting that currency, because the interest rate in the United States is higher than the rates of Great Britain. So what that means is that you make more money investing in this economy than this economy, and that should be driving market. Okay, that should be driving the market, and that's why I think overly you see people are shorting this market here on the long, on the medium, on the short to medium time, range. Okay. All right, so guys, I think we have we've done quite a lot here. We've covered quite a lot here. Summary is that we're looking for a shorting opportunity in this market. We're going to continue to observe what the market is going to do. Okay, and then as soon as we see the appropriate signal and the appropriate timing factor, we're going to pull the trigger. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. If you like it, just like the video, show it by hitting the thumbs up icon. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Okay, and turn on the notification bell. You will receive alerts when I upload videos very promptly. Okay, so guys, thank you very much, and that's all I have for you today. Do have a blessed day. Bye bye.